So let's turn it over to Jenny because she's got some sake to work with today. So I think that's really cool. So Jenny.
I thank you. And Michael, thank you so much for having me be a part of this really, really great lineup. Yeah, I am a huge, huge sake lover. And I'm lucky to live in San Diego where there is a plethora of drinking things. They call it the Liquid City, infused with Citra hops. And it's a really, really fun, imaginative sake. You really get the hop flavor coming through. And you also kind of strangely, you still get that sort of sake dryness. We're also pairing it with, she made me a beautiful bottle of citrus and thyme infused syrup, simple syrup. These recipes I have given to Michael, so if you're interested in it, you can go to that website. Now, I'm terribly sorry, I'm sort of broadcasting from the back room of my cafe. This is 1 o'clock here in San Diego, and so lunch hour is in full swing, so I don't have beautiful displays like all of you, and you've all made me really jealous. But I'm gonna sort of put this together while I talk about the cheese that I'm going to pair it with, which is the Hoja Santa cheese out of the Mozzarella company in Dallas, Texas. And I featured this cheese a lot a couple years ago, and then I sort of, I didn't forget about it, but I don't know, I got away from it somehow. And about 2 months ago, I don't know what made me think of it again. I love this cheese, and I love this cheese, that this cheese is from Dallas. I love that it's a long-standing cheese-making company, the Mozzarella company, Paula Lambert. She's just another one of these pioneering American women. And I love that it's sort of South American in style. The leaves, the Hoja Santa leaves, traditionally used to wrap fish, do a variety of different things in South American cooking. And what Paula has done is taken a very fresh chev and she's wrapped it in those leaves, and then she's just packaged it so beautifully in this like lovely little raffeta. And I'm going to open this cheese up, and you're just going to see the beautifulness of this chev. It is just stunning. Pure white, I'm sorry, my light is so bad back here, but pure white chev with that beautiful leaf. It's very moist. It's very acidic, being fresh chev. And what that leaf does is impart a little bit of a sassafras kind of mint flavor to this fresh chev. It is crisp. It is delightful. I'm adding some ice to my lovely Setting Sun sake glass, courtesy of Kim. Thank you so much, Kim. She has thought of everything. I am going to do, she brought me enough for 2 glasses, so I'm just going to put in about half of their Hape sake. And again, brewed with Citra hops, really super beautiful. I'm going to put in a splash of the simple syrup, this citrus syrup that Kim has made. This is sugar, cane sugar, boiling water, lemon, lime, tangerine, and a little bit of fresh sprigs of thyme. And you do a little thing with that, and it's going to be gorgeous and beautiful. And then I'm just going to put a little bit, a splash of Fever Tree tonic, which is just a beautiful little tonic that we're going to do right there. I'm not even going to attempt to drink and eat at the same time and speak to you. I'm just going to show you how absolutely stunning and beautiful this is. I have a lovely mix of some lime, some fresh lemon, and some fresh orange. I am very, very fortunate in that every Tuesday and Thursday out front of my store, I host a little farm stand. It is Heritage Farms. They are a family farm in the East County. They do beautiful citrus, and I'm lucky that I get that beautiful citrus all year round. So the Hoja Santa with the Citra citrus sake cocktail. I love this. It's going to be fruity and beautiful. The cheese just adds so much to it. Naturally, the cocktail kind of cuts through this cheese, but this cheese is just luscious and moist and everything that you would want in a fresh goat chev. It just picks up those just really complex layers of mint and sassafras from those Hoja Santa leaves. A beautiful pairing. If you're ever in San Diego, come down to Setting Sun Sake. They're awesome. Seek out this cheese, Hoja Santa cheese. It's a beautiful cheese. It goes with so much. And cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Everybody, thank you so much for coming in and playing and mixing and bringing your cheeses. Cheers.
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 So you're going to be able to find these recipes and of course the others that are coming up on michaellandescheese.com. There's a whole section that says recipes, and then it says cocktails, and each one is listed out with all the information that they have provided for me. And of course, this will be on my YouTube channel, Michael Landes Cheese, and it'll be broken out so everybody will be able to mix for the holidays and have a little bit of fun with that. So everybody, thank you so much. This was so much fun. I love all the recipes, and I can't wait to start making them on my own.